Okay, hello everyone. Today is 21 February 23 and today we have booked a profit of around 4,000. So let's just discuss the my entry and exit positions. So before that, if we just do a quick pre-analysis, what we see was the market was continuously falling since last 2 days. It had broken uh, this very important level, this range. It has already broken this range upside and it was going downside, right? And again yesterday it went a little upside. We made a position at the P, but our stop loss got hit and the market reversed. So today we saw that yesterday the market had also broken down a very important level, this 40,800 level. So if we just look at the chart before that, we see that the market has already at the bottom level. Yesterday it keep trapping the buyers and keep coming down. So at these places, what we can expect is, since there are no stop losses below, what we can expect is what will we be looking for is a call option, because since there are no stop losses below and majority of the stop losses are upside. Also, we made another analysis that the market should know how exactly would the market return. Now, one pattern that we can see is that market market can make a W pattern here, because market cannot just go easily directly up like that, right? It has to do some sort of retracement and go up. So from here up till here, this green candle, the market gave a closing yesterday. So today I was expecting that the market will come down just like this red candle, and it can give start giving bullish candles from there. So that was my assumption and analysis, and I was waiting for that only today. But the thing that happened was, today the market gave up a little bit gap up and big red candle. So because of this red candle, I got a little bit confused as to where exactly to make buy position. Why? Because initially we saw like the market has broken this level and it is trying to go up. So we started making positions. We today will took a little more positions. So initially I took a 4,500 call option at around 344 at 920. Let's see, where is 920? Somewhere in this candle we took the trade, but still I wasn't sure, so I kept the stop loss a little bit less. So we hit the stop loss at around 330. Again, I was actually bullish still, so I was just looking for another opportunity. Next I tried to change my strategy. See, you see these 25 quantities. I tried to buy both call and put option, because from here we know that the market will give a big momentum from either side. But still I exited that position because handling that position could be quite difficult. And as we can also see that the market went a little sideways also. Next, another position we made the same call option around 925. So that was around this candle again, basically a re-entry. And this was basically just not a re-entry exactly. At this position I was still not sure what exactly whether will the market straight will go upside, because we cannot expect from here that the market will straight go upside, because the market has given these big red candle, right? So here I was just trying to do a little bit scalp trading, so whatever the losses that I had made on these previous initial trades. So that I did, and that I exited around 928 with some like 10 points or something, and again made a re-entry around 937 with same call option. Again I was trying the call option again and again, because I knew like the market can anytime go up, but because of this big red candle, again saying, I was not quite sure where exactly will the market reverse. So again same, with the 7-point stop loss, the market hit my stop loss. Then finally I made a position around 941. Now this has a logic. At 9:41, what is happening is, you see the 9:41 candle is this one, this big candle, right? So if you look, right, if you look, I mean, okay, let's just look into the 3-minute chart. We see now there is a pattern clear, right? That the market here, there is a clear trend line that we saw that the yesterday, like this. Although the market has given breakdown, another trend line was this, somewhere like this. You see, yes. Now here what is happening is, in such patterns, now I have told this more than once actually, even in the previous videos several times. Again I will brief you somewhere. Yeah, okay, wait. Yeah, here exactly. And day before yesterday's video, I will have again discussed the same thing, like this wedge pattern here, right? So usually if the market has to go down, suppose now this in this pattern, what we expect is that the market breaks down, right? So but initially, what if market intends to go down, what it does is it traps, it comes first of all consumes the upper stop loss level. So that's what the market did, that market gave a breakout and then market came down. In a similar fashion, here also the same things keeps happening. Now here what happened is, here we were trying some position, right, but the market hit our small stop losses. But here in the red candle we see, it will be more clear exactly if we see in the 1-minute candle, that the market has given some big candles and it has crossed this trend line also. So here I made another full entry of 298 position, and somewhere around 323 again I exited, because the uh, yeah, the market candlesticks wasn't I wasn't very much sure on the candlestick that the market was creating. Wait, where is that? 9:41 and 9:46. So here I made entry, and somewhere here, yeah, the market again kept falling down. So here I again made an exit. Now I waited for a while. Now this time again I was not, still the market wasn't showing a good momentum. So again I made an entry around 9:41, 9:49. That was here, and this time I think, yeah, at this time I made sure, because my overall loss was also around. Actually, I had made a little bit profit, like around 1400, 500. So here I decided to go for a regular long trade. Either I will hit my stop loss, or I will make good book my profit. So from here I made here I entered again, and my stop loss was 30 points. And yeah, from there onwards I waited, and uh, somewhere, when did I exit this? At 10:03 I exited here. Where is 10:03? This candle. Now I exited in early, I mean, because I was not sure how the market will move from here, and also it was getting difficult to trade in here. So I exited early, around 4,500 or something profit. And thereafter again I made a call option, because I see thereafter that the market is making momentum. Again at 10:13 I made a position with just 25 quantities, because I already had made a profit, just to see what the market does basically. So here this is important, why I made position at the top. Usually we don't make positions at the top, right? So you see the yellow resistance level, right? So this is actually a 1-minute gap that the market had created. Now usually if such momentums comes, that there is a high probability that the market will actually at least cross this level. Now it may, most of the times what it does is it just gives a wick here and returns. I mean, at least it has to give a wick and return. That I knew. And also in the yesterday's chart also, there was a gap around here. You see, it's a 1-minute gap, and that's what uh, market gave a wick exactly there and returned, right? So this is important for you. So yeah, I just tested this if this is working or not. I made an entry 340. I made an entry around 10:13 and I immediately exit after that. Now again with 50 quantities, I just tried if the put options also works here, but seems like I just made an entry around here and market again just small stop loss with 50 quantities. I hit my stop loss, 10-point stop loss, and as per our rule, if we have already a good profit, then afterwards, if I make some even a small loss, then I close my trade thereafter. So this is my rule. Okay, traders. So that's all the day. One big learning that I will take is that I missed a good momentum here. Ever since I was trading in all the previous days, I was waiting for a good momentum, and today when the market finally gave a good momentum, I missed it. So I still have to make a strategy as to when to really stop, because why did I stop here is because it has already crossed this I had made a support level here, resistance level here, and also a 618 level, and 50% level was crossed, and also at the nifty was also around, I think some, okay, nifty was still at the bottom. Nifty Nifty was still far from this 50% level, so still I couldn't, I thought not to take a risk and I booked my profit. Still I have to make a strategy of how to collect a quick momentum. Okay traders, that's all for today. Let me know in the comments if you have any if you need some more clarifications, and if you need some more discussions around the candlesticks.